Bitcoin, the name that started a financial revolution. Bitcoin is the world's first decentralized digital currency, a groundbreaking invention that transformed how we think about money. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by governments and banks, Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network where no single authority has control. It's digital money that you can send directly to anyone, anywhere in the world, without needing permission from a bank or financial institution. This is the story of how one innovation changed everything. Before Bitcoin, digital payments had a fundamental problem. Every time you wanted to send money online, you needed a trusted middleman, like a bank or payment processor, to verify the transaction. This created several issues. First, these intermediaries charged fees for their services. Second, they had complete control over your money and could freeze accounts or block transactions. Third, and most critically, there was no way to prevent double spending in digital currency without a central authority keeping track. If you had a digital file representing money, what would stop you from copying it and spending it twice? Bitcoin solved all of these problems with an elegant technological solution. On October 31st, 2008, an anonymous person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto published a revolutionary white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This 9-page document outlined a completely new way to create digital money without needing banks or governments. Just a few months later, on January 3, 2009, Satoshi mined the first Bitcoin block, known as the Genesis block, officially launching the Bitcoin network. To this day, nobody knows who Satoshi Nakamoto really is. The creator's identity remains one of the greatest mysteries in modern technology, but their invention changed the world forever. Bitcoin has 4 key characteristics that make it revolutionary. First, it's completely decentralized, meaning no government, company, or individual controls it. The network is maintained by thousands of computers around the world. Second, it's transparent. Every single Bitcoin transaction is recorded on a public ledger that anyone can view, making the system incredibly open and auditable. Third, Bitcoin is immutable. Once a transaction is confirmed and added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered, reversed, or deleted. This permanence creates trust in the system. Finally, Bitcoin has a limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, making it a scarce digital asset similar to gold. Understanding how Bitcoin works requires looking at 4 key steps. First, users initiate transactions by sending Bitcoin from their wallet to someone else's wallet address. Second, these transactions are broadcast to the Bitcoin network, where specialized participants called miners collect and verify them. Miners check that the sender actually has the Bitcoin they're trying to send and that they haven't already spent it elsewhere. Third, verified transactions are bundled together into groups called blocks. Finally, these blocks are added to the blockchain, which is a permanent, public record of all Bitcoin transactions ever made. This process creates a system where trust is built into the technology itself, rather than relying on banks or other institutions. At the heart of Bitcoin is blockchain technology. Imagine a chain of digital blocks, where each block contains a list of transactions. Here's what makes it special. Every block is connected to the previous block through cryptography, creating an unbreakable chain. Each block contains 3 main things: transaction data showing who sent Bitcoin to whom, a timestamp of when the block was created, and a unique cryptographic hash that links it to the previous block. This linking creates a permanent, tamper-proof record. If anyone tries to change information in an old block, it would break the chain and be immediately obvious to everyone on the network. This is why blockchain is considered virtually impossible to hack or manipulate. Bitcoin's security comes from 2 interconnected systems: mining and cryptography. Mining is the process by which new Bitcoin transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles in a system called proof of work. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block to the blockchain and receives a reward: newly created Bitcoin plus transaction fees. This reward incentivizes miners to maintain the network honestly. On the security side, Bitcoin uses SHA-256 cryptographic hashing, which is virtually impossible to break. The distributed nature of the network means there's no single point of failure. To attack Bitcoin, someone would need to control more than 50% of all the computing power on the network, which is practically impossible given its massive scale. To use Bitcoin, you need to understand 4 essential concepts. First is the wallet, which is software that stores your private keys and allows you to send and receive Bitcoin. Think of it like a digital bank account, but you're in complete control. Second is your private key, which is a secret code that proves you own your Bitcoin and allows you to spend it. Never share your private key with anyone, as whoever has it controls your funds. Third is your public key, which functions as your Bitcoin address. This is what you share with others so they can send you Bitcoin, similar to giving someone your email address. Finally, there's the halving event. Approximately every 4 years, the reward that miners receive for adding new blocks is cut in half. This built-in mechanism controls Bitcoin's supply and makes it increasingly scarce over time. Bitcoin didn't just create a new currency, it sparked a global revolution. It was the first successful implementation of a decentralized digital currency, proving that you don't need banks or governments to create trustworthy money. Bitcoin demonstrated that blockchain technology could work at scale, handling millions of transactions securely and transparently. Its success inspired thousands of other cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects, each trying to solve different problems or improve on Bitcoin's design. Most importantly, Bitcoin created an entirely new paradigm for financial systems, one where individuals have direct control over their money, where transactions can cross borders instantly without permission, and where the rules are enforced by mathematics and code rather than institutions. This is why many consider Bitcoin the beginning of a new era in finance. Bitcoin's impact on the world extends far beyond just creating digital money. In terms of financial innovation, it provided a real alternative to traditional banking systems, especially important for people in countries with unstable currencies or limited banking access. Bitcoin offers financial freedom by allowing anyone with internet access to store and transfer value without needing permission from any authority. The global adoption has been remarkable, with millions of users worldwide and major companies now accepting Bitcoin as payment. Perhaps most significantly, Bitcoin acted as a catalyst for an entire industry. It spawned the cryptocurrency sector, blockchain technology applications beyond currency, and inspired innovations in decentralized finance. From a single white paper in 2008, Bitcoin grew into a movement that challenged centuries of thinking about how money should work. This is truly the beginning of the crypto era, and Bitcoin remains at its center as the original and most recognized cryptocurrency in the world.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.